Well, good afternoon. Hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. We have another one for you. A beautiful, fully restored 1953 Ford Crestline Victoria Coupe. Flathead V8 with an automatic transmission. But before we go any further, please do us a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It really helps us get the content out there. '53 Ford Crestline Victoria Coupe in Cascade Green, color code Y with a black painted hardtop, color code A, as you can see by the fender tag, or let me correct that, the door tag, which breaks down everything that this car has. I'll insert a picture right here. Absolutely gorgeous car. All the chrome, all the trim, everything has been either re-chromed or polished. Previous owner had this car for approximately 60 years. Bought this car in 1963 when he was 29 years old. Kept the car all this time. It was basically, as he put it when he told me when I got the car from him, it was a labor of love. He just couldn't get rid of the car. Met his wife when he had this car, had his kids when he had this car, so it was part of the family. Unfortunately, the wife is gone, kids are growing up. He's getting along in age and just doesn't drive it anymore, but did want to restore it, so he started the restoration back in 2012, did a complete restoration on the car, and completed it in late 14, early 15. Car has won a few shows. Comes originally out of Idaho, so it's a solid and rust-free car. Bottom of the car is beautiful. Engine and transmission has been rebuilt, new dual exhaust, brand new drive shaft with U-joints, as you can see in the picture. So as you can see, the car is very nice. Perfectly straight body. All the chrome, all the trim is excellent. All the chrome has been redone. It's all triple plated. All the original stainless trim came off the car and was completely polished. Original hubcaps are excellent. It's got new tires on it. All the glass is excellent on the car. The upper trim up here, like where the Victoria is stamped in, all this is excellent, excellent. Looking down the sides of the car, there's nothing you can fault the car with. Inside, the door jambs, the doors are beautiful. The hinge posts for the hinges are excellent. The other half of the door jamb, the door sills, the detail on the car is beautiful. Upholstery's all new, including headliner. Dash is perfect, nothing's cut up, nothing's chopped. A couple of trophies we got with the car, won a couple first places, which was kind of cool. Carpet's excellent. Everything works on the car. The heater, all that stuff. Door panels, perfect. Doors close nice. No issues. Coming to the rear of the car. All the chrome, again, is just absolutely perfect. We'll open it up a little bit and we'll go through the trunk and under the hood and hear it run. Coming down the driver's side, she is just dead straight. Perfect trim. Hubcaps are excellent. Rocker panels, no issues. Again, all the chrome and the trim, the finish on the roof. It's a beautiful car. I just can't find anything wrong with it. Runs and drives as good as it looks, maybe even better. Let's get it all wide open. I'll do another walk around, show you the trunk, show you under the hood, fire it up, and we go for a ride. All right, got the trunk open. Comes with a complete car cover. There's some spare parts in here he gave me that came with the car. But inside the trunk, everything is just beautiful. Brand new spare tire, jack and lug wrench and all that stuff is all there, as you can see behind the spare. Chrome is just spectacular on the car. Everything closes nice. driver's side door panel, interior. There's that ID tag that I put a picture in of earlier. Dashboard is excellent. The original AM radio unfortunately does not work. It did make a buzz, but it doesn't work. All the gauges and everything work. Interior lights. Interior lights. Headliner's perfect. Door closes beautiful. Under the hood is exceptional. Very nice detail. I know it might be a little hard to see with the glare of the sun, but I'll do the best I can. Plus there's photographs on the website that you can see. Close this door. Perfect. Let's fire it up, listen to it run, and take it for a ride. Just like a sewing machine. Those Flathead V8s are just dead quiet. 239 cubic inch generator, 6 volt, new battery, 1 barrel carburetor. It's got full dual exhaust with quiet turbo mufflers. It's got a nice mellow sound. Let me button up the hood and we'll take it for a ride. Transmission goes into gear beautifully. It shifts fine. It stops fine. Just absolutely no issues. It's a great color. I love Cascade green with the black top. Has that typical 50s style and look to it. It's basically the same color in 55 on a Thunderbird, same color code Y, and they called it Mountain Green. So they'd recycle colors from year to year, just rename them. But the way to tell if they're the same colors generally, and Ford, GM, and Mopar both do it, is you look at the color codes. If the color code stayed the same but the name changed, and you know it's the same color. Goes down a road beautifully, absolutely beautifully. Stops straight. Everything just, the lights, everything just works on the car as it should, including the horn. Headlights, taillights, turn signals, brake lights, high beams, low beams. Other than the original AM radio, that's the only thing that doesn't work. I gotta switch battery right now. And we're back. Had to switch out a battery. We'll head back to the shop, do a final walk around. But it is just a beautiful car to drive. All the turn signals, headlights, taillights, brake lights, everything works except for the radio. there you go. 1953 Ford Crestline Victoria. 239 Flathead V8 with a Ford-O-Matic transmission. Beautiful restoration. Needs nothing. Detailed and ready to ride and enjoy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. It really helps us get the content out. Have a wonderful day.